Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about a very important topic. The topic is why English is given so much of importance in this period of time, whereas there are tens of thousands of languages in the whole world. Only English is given so much of importance. So I'm going to be talking about all those things, why it is very important for us too. And the only thing you have to do is just stay tuned with me and keep watching till the end. First of all, I would like to say that if you believe that English is just a language, I think you are somewhat wrong. I personally believe, and I have experienced myself, that English is not just a language. If you believe English is just a language as other languages are, I think you are wrong. And because if you have completed your high school, or if you are if you have completed your intermediate, after intermediate or high school or matriculations, you are forced to study in English language. If you want to continue your study after matriculation or high school or intermediate, most of the books are printed in English language. Then how will you study or continue your study further? So to continue your study further after intermediate or high school, you will be forced to study in English language. So that is the reason. I think that can be the one reason that you must learn English, and which is the biggest reason. And let's take another example, that if you are if you happen to go to even in India, few of the states of India, like if you happen to go to Tamil Nadu, Kerala or Bangalore, in some places of India, because the language of these places are absolutely different as compared to our mother tongue. We speak Hindi, or they speak different languages like Tamil, Kannada or other languages. So in such a situation, you will find the English language as your partner, which can help you to communicate with them. So in such situation, this language is going to help you to communicate with them or to deal with them. And for example, if you want to establish yourself globally, nationally, or if you want to establish anywhere in the world, this language is gonna help you to improve your life. Language is gonna help you to get a good job in a multinational company as well. So if you believe this language is just a language, you're absolutely, I think, somewhere or other you are wrong. So I think these are the reasons which is why you must learn English. And this is the language of science, technology, computer, aviation. These are the languages most even if you obviously you will be using internet, and most of the contents are in internet in English language. That is the reason, that can be another reason to learn English language. So these are, because of all these reasons, you must learn English. Now let's talk about another example. For example, if you want to have the better understanding of the world, or if you want to know more about the world, for example, if you want to know about some the culture of America or Canada or some other country of the world, how will you get to know about their civilization, culture, or the living standard? This is the only language through which you are you will be able to know about them, how they live, how they eat, how they earn their livelihood. So this language is gonna help you to know how they live, or how they lead their life. So if you believe that English is gonna be an integral part of your life, or it is gonna help you to improve your life, then you must learn English. I think learning English is also fun. So if you are really passionate about learning English, because as I'm also making videos on regular basis, so you have to watch all those videos, because I have started making videos from basic level to high level videos. So you have to watch every single of videos of mine, then only you are supposed to be having all the grammar portion which is necessary to be able to speak English, and all the vocabulary. I'm giving vocabulary as well. And from 2 days back, I have been giving only 10 words, because earlier I used to give more than 40 or 30 words. So I have reduced to 10 words only, so that you can memorize every single day. So you have to memorize every single day words as well. Then only you will be able to speak properly as as other speak. But if you believe, for your information, let me tell you that if you believe that English is difficult language to learn, you are absolutely wrong. English is absolutely easy language, and if you have passion, you can learn. To have passion doesn't mean that you just by having passion you can learn. You will have to work hard. You will have to follow all the steps which is very necessary to learn a new language. Practice part is the very important part. If you have sufficient amount of words, and if you know grammar, basic grammar also, and if you don't practice on regular basis, you will never be able to understand the text or communicate with other people. To communicate, you have to practice every single day. You have to use whatever you have to use whatever you learn on daily basis. You have to put all those things into practice. Then this is how you will be able to speak in English. And to be able to speak in English, the best part, even I do the same, you have to think in English. Many people out there who are saying that if you are not if you are not from a society where English is spoken, how will you think in English? I think even if you are non-native English speaker, you can think in English. But yes, of course, you will not be able to speak fluently. At least you can get stuck now. You can get stuck means you are trying to learn. When you are trying to learn, your mind will say something that, oh, I don't know this word, or I am not able to make this sentence, so that you can contact with the person who is knowing that particular sentence. So this is how you have to keep practicing. You have to think in English. If you are thinking in English, this method is going to help you improve your English very soon. You have to think in English. If you are not if you are just passionate about English language, without learning, you will never be able to speak. So in the end, I would like to say that if you really fond of speaking English, the only thing you have to do is just stay tuned with me and keep watching all my videos till the end, so that you can have a better understanding of grammar portions. And most of all, if you find any sort of difficulty in understanding text, or in if you are not able to make sentences, you can comment below side, which is there in the comment box, and I'm going to be replying all the comments if you are going to make. So you have to make your comment every single day. And please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so that I can, because if you subscribe my channel and like, from your likes, from your subscriptions, I get motivation, so that I can continue making videos every single day, and so that I can experience, I can share my thoughts as well. And the only thing I would like to say at the end, that keep watching, keep practicing, and have fun. Thank you.